How to add a payment method in Bolt. Let's set up your preferred payment method so you can ride without hassle. First, open Bolt and tap the menu icon in the top corner. Go to Payment Methods, then tap Add Payment Method. You'll see options like credit or debit card, digital wallet, or cash. Choose your preferred one, then enter the required details. Once done, tap Save and you'll see your method appear in the list. Ready for your next ride. If a payment fails, try updating your card details or switching to another method before confirming your booking. Which payment option do you use the most on Bolt? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can add a payment method in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.